Come and nap with me.
Feels less weird than recording.
Oh, I was going to see about a place to sit. Right over here. I'm going to go find us a place to sit.
Okay.
And then I'll go to the bathroom.
Okay. Which ones you have?
Most of them. Little harmonica, guitar, the whistle, the bike. I had the skateboard and the ship wheel and the little trumpet and the lipstick up there and probably like 1,200 more they don't have. I'm so reflective. So we're working today. It's our second day of work this season, and it feels really good. It's kind of chilly out today, though. There's something to be said for working early in this season. Up on the mountains, is it's chilly. I'm on my lunch break, and because we're working on a bridge decking, we are parked at the road, not on the other side of the bridge. So it's kind of noisy here. Forgive me. Oh. I found strawberries at Costco that are all pink inside. Amazing. But the best part of this van is not, believe it or not, these beautiful cushions that they came with, or that it came with. It's the fact that I'm inside, out of the wind, because it's chilly today. But outside is lovely. There's a river back there, hence the bridge. Yeah. But just because it's lovely outside doesn't mean I want to sit in the cold wind. It is, after all, still April.
Take a look how these solar panels are melting the sun. It's kind of weird how it's kind of a squarish. I'm wondering if one of the other panels that are connected to one of the other four are getting sun in those spots. But identical spots on these panels are kind of melting weird with the frost. I've never seen that before. Of course, I've never looked at the panels with frost on them, I don't think, before. Just doesn't melt, so it's pretty cool. Still a lot of frost to melt. But just noticing these squares on these ones, it's on its way. Hey girl. Is that a scary helicopter? Do you want lovin's? Can I give you some scratches? Or are you just going to let the bus do it? Yep, just let the bus do it. See you later.
Doesn't seem that dark up there.
What you'd call this, probably hail. Kind of started out as wintry mix. You never know there was bad weather looking that way. Let's keep the camera dry. But looking that way, you never know there was good weather. Everywhere I go in the United States, people tell me, if you don't like the weather, wait 15 minutes. It's true in the mountains. The birds didn't eat the food Nancy left. We're right at the edge of it. Oh, holy cow. You should sweep that up.
No, I think you can do it.
Boulders when you dig in the mountains.
at work again today. I really couldn't ask for a better place to work than the mountains of Colorado, because it is just so beautiful here. There's a trail that goes up the mountain, around the rail that way, up beyond all that stuff.
Been unbolted, but nothing's been pried on or pulled on yet. Wow, I was standing on that rock the other day. Like, it was high and dry, I was standing on it. Yeah, because I had way more rock to stand on to get to it. In fact, those two were dry too. I'm not jumping out there and catching that wet rock, even though I've already halfway committed myself. What side do you want us on?
That's that side. I'm gonna get that bundle. Get it at the edge.
Okay. Found another rotten one.
The inspection part of it, someone got paid to inspect this and say it was okay is the scary part. Oh yeah, you can just put new top boards on. The rest of it's structurally sound.